how to cancel Shein Club membership. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Shein Club membership. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open the Shein app on your phone or go to the Shein website on your browser. Next, log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, then tap on the three lines icon. After that, you have to contact customer support of Shein, as there is no option to direct cancel the membership. So we head towards their support. So tap on this icon. A chat page will appear on the screen. Here type that please cancel my Shein membership. After you're done typing, tap submit. Once you type in that. After that, it's time to submit a ticket of my cancellation of membership. So tap on submit a ticket. Select your question type. From the list, tap on unsubscribe and delete. In the ticket form, describe your question. Type please cancel my Shein Club membership. You can upload a picture as well in the form. Once done, tap on submit. Once you've contacted you and confirmed, your membership will be cancelled and you'll receive a confirmation email. And that's it. That's how you can cancel Shein Club membership. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.